Are you a caring parent looking forward to see your kids achieve their dreams, life goals, and aspirations? Is your kid interested in learning robotics, mathematics, and how to code professionally? Has your child been attending various coding classes and programs without getting results? Imagine if your kids could learn how to code professionally and improve their problem-solving skills while having fun. Well, stop imagining already, because we have good news for you. Introducing CyberMath Academy, a selective and intensive coding boot camp designed for young people looking forward to code professionally and develop their tech talent. We offer cutting-edge mentored courses in Python, game and app design, Lego robotics, working with the best of brilliant and competent teachers with stellar qualifications. Why enroll your kids at our coding boot camp? Effective learning methodology. We provide coding classes from scratch. We work with the best of brilliant and competent teachers and much more. Enroll your kids today at CyberMath Academy. For more information or enquiries, call us today at 1-408-368-6508 or visit our website at www.cybermath.org.